Welcome to Getting Started with Golang hands-on session. In this session, we'll learn about the Go Playground, which is very common among Go community. You can just Google it and you can find it. It's a common place for writing some Go specific code and sharing it. So I'll just show you. So this is a simple program which is written, and I try to run it, and it contacts the remote server, compiles links, and if everything goes fine, it also prints the output. And the same code snippet can be shared easily. If you just click on the share button, you will get a link which you can share with other developers, and to basically to practice and share and debug any code if you want. So for getting good at any language, one should be very comfortable with the basic constructs. And to start with, we'll use this reference, gobyexample.com. I'm not going to cover very basic stuff. The expectation is the basic stuff you already know, or you can easily cover those things. And yeah, I'll focus on more critical aspects which we use in day-to-day programming in our project development. The second thing is I would highly recommend to practice on any of your favorite platforms, LeetCode, Interview Bit, HackerEarth, HackerRank, or whatever. And it so this helps a lot. I would recommend to start with the easy problems and try to code it in Go. If you already coded in some other language, try to code it in Go, and that helps a lot. So with this, we'll end this session. To summarize, I would recommend to use either of the coding platforms to get comfortable with the Go constructs, and I'll cover the important constructs one by one. Thanks for watching.